We hear often about how we need to have this war on drugs because of how much damage drugs do, how many lives they take. And that makes all the sense in the world. But if we're going to have the deaths be the cause of our action against drugs, let's at least make sure that we're targeting the deadliest drugs in America. And so we've compiled some data. This is federally available data from 2013. Which are the deadliest drugs? First up, we have marijuana. Zero deaths? Clearly that zero is a typo. That's got to be 1 million a year, right? 10 million a year. I mean, you could go to jail for selling it, sometimes even just possessing it. 0 deaths? That's weird. Okay, what do we have next? Cocaine. Okay, I mean, you're talking about almost 5,000 deaths. That's a good number of deaths, 5,000, much more than 0, certainly. What's next? Heroin. Okay, yes, we hear how deadly heroin is, even more than cocaine. Over 8,000 deaths due to heroin. That's certainly a lot. Okay, what's deadlier than heroin? Oh, that's interesting. Painkillers, which I see ads on TV all the time for painkillers. I know doctors are encouraging tons of people to have painkillers. They've killed twice as many people, over 16,000, than died from heroin. Not only very legal, but socially acceptable. A lot of people are on painkillers. Well, what's even more dangerous? Oh, alcohol. 29,000 direct deaths attributable to alcohol in just 2013. Alcohol's super socially acceptable, man. I love alcohol. I didn't know it was that deadly. Is there anything more deadly than tobacco? 437,000 deaths due to tobacco. Wait, 0 to marijuana. Almost 500,000 from tobacco in just 1 year. Man, you can buy tobacco anywhere. 7-Eleven sells tobaccos. It's more available than hot dogs. That's weird, man. But that's also the facts, and you can do with those facts whatever you want, okay? We're simply providing them. But okay, if we're gonna talk about how dangerous these drugs are, let's dispense with the lies and the exaggerations about how dangerous illegal drugs like marijuana actually are. Okay, especially when there are perfectly legal and far deadlier drugs 100% available for purchase. And that's my final judgment.